Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Seat Leon. So from any screen, you'll see here these buttons at the side. That's for your mobile screen, that's for your ordinary screen. You've got here radio, media, navigation, traffic, images, telephone. We want telephone. Calls, contacts, down number, menu, settings, onto settings. Select mobile phone, Bluetooth user profile, Bluetooth, visibility, name, paired devices, find devices. We want paired devices. And there you go, you see Barry's iPhone 13 Pro and the music symbol, the phone symbol and a bin. We want the bin. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Yes, I do. Click delete. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Seat Leon. First thing we do, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so. Then we're watching out of the bottom. We go over to the screen, no matter what screen it's on. If you click this one, it's kind of like the home button. And then we want telephone. Click telephone. Menu, settings, and in the middle here, you've got find mobile phone, and it's Seat BT3156, so find mobile phone. It's already picked up here, but I'm going to wait for it to find the phone. The phone's found the unit, the car unit. I'm going to wait for it to find the phone on the screen, just to be on the safe side. Otherwise, if they go out of sync, sometimes it tells you to put a number in, or does the number match, and it all goes wrong. I've also just deleted this mobile from this system. There you go, it's found it there. Click on the phone, hands-free telephone, connecting to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Here we go, it's done it properly. Number is 514550, click pair. Does this passkey match 514550? Yes, it does. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Has it paired? Is it up at the top? Where's it gone? No, it's paired now. So let's find it. Sit, BT, that's it. So that's how you pair a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the audio system in this 2018 Seat Leon. So any screen, it's on phone at the moment. We go to music. On the music, if I click on a track, you see at the bottom there, it's got Seat BT3156. Your choices are, just at this moment, iPhone or the Seat. The tick's next to the Seat. Anything you play on your phone, if this is set up properly, the audio will come through here. So I'm going to turn this down, over to the system, click on the home button there. Then we want media, click on media. Now I'll click play. This is on auxiliary at the moment, so you need to change it to BT. Sometimes you'll come to it and it'll go straight to BT, you don't have to do anything. But this one, click source, select BT audio, that's it there. I'll click play again because it's knocked it off. And then if I turn this up, that's how you stream audio, play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2018 Seat Leon. Any screen, we go to the home button there. We want nav, so that's third one along there, navigation. Now, if you look at this now, the menu, it doesn't always come up on that screen. If I click back, there's a possibility it's going to come up on that screen, but if you just watch it for a second, the menu disappears. So you're just left with your screen and wondering what to do and how to set it. But touch the screen, new destination, We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston. If we click on the city here, and you'll see postcode, click on postcode. This is the easiest way to enter it. It's on digits at the moment, numerals. We want it on the alphabet. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. We now need to go to numbers, 5, 4, back to the alphabet, E, A, PR5, 4EA, Preston, Lancashire, click on that. That's it. Click start.
Please select a route.
So those are 3 routes it gives you, the fastest and so on. And we'll select that one. Sorry, my big fat fingers.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
We're sat on the forecourt, so it's not going to find us. But that's how you do that. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to use Apple CarPlay. Now, to save time on this, I've already plugged my charging lead in, but as you can see from here, if I can't get my hand in that slot, so I had to put my fingers in to do it like that. So rather than you watching me mess about doing that, I've left it. So now then, car's running. We've plugged the charging lead in. It's plugged into the USB. It's already come up there. Apple CarPlay, new device, connect. CarPlay, finish setting up CarPlay. Allow CarPlay with SIT while phone is locked. Yes, that's important you do that. So that's it. That's now mirrored my phone. I can now, for the rest of my journey, put that phone down. I don't have to do anything. If I want to make a call, I can either say, hey, SIRI, or the voice activation button here. If I click this for over 2 seconds, call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
You have a temporary greeting on. To keep your greeting, press 1.
As you can
To
see,
delete it, press 2.
that's called
to
me.
listen to it.
That called me, so you can do it just by speaking to it. To send a text. Oh. Text Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this Seat Leon. It's great.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this seat, Leon. It's great. Send it.
Yes.
Done.
That's close enough. You can set it to send automatically as well, so that you do that in your iPhone menu. You'll see there that my phone has just received a message. Again, you're driving along the motorway, you're dying to know what your message is. All you have to do is read messages.
Barry sent a new message. Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this seat, Leon. It's great. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
You want to listen to music? Again, a couple of seconds on the voice activation. Shuffle music.
Playing all songs from Apple Music.
You want to listen to a single track? Play Glory by The Score.
Now playing Glory by The Score.
You can do pretty much anything with this system. It's so good. You can also set, right, if I just wipe that, well, first of all, you can have like a display screen. So that's your Sat Nav. You want to set the Sat Nav, you want to go somewhere. Take me to Starbucks.
One possibility is Starbucks on Capitol Way. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
it will go automatically. That is actually, sorry, you'll just see that. That sent it to my watch as well. So I'll get kind of haptic taps on my wrist when it's ready to turn. Again, let's see. Navigate to the Trafford Centre, Manchester.
One option I found is the Trafford Centre. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to the Trafford Centre.
All I need to do now, and that'll take me to Starbucks and then the Trafford Centre. It's a fantastic system. So we just wind it, sorry, just click that. We just wind it along there. If you then go to calendar, for instance, you can set an event. You can set it so that, or if you put a reminder in, you can actually set it on your phone so that it reminds you when you get to a place, when you get home, when you get to work, when you get to a certain place. The system is just brilliant. I've got a couple of messages recently. I got one this morning even, and the chap's got a 2011 Volvo XC90, I think, and he says the Sat Nav's virtually useless now. Well, it is, and it's useless every year. It's useless every 3 months virtually if you go into different places, because it's just not updated. You have to get either a new SD card or a new disc or so on. Well, your phone is updated all the time, so you're constantly up to date if you use Apple CarPlay. It's a fantastic system, it really is. And from 2023, it looks like they're going to build Apple CarPlay into virtually every car, and your Apple CarPlay will tell you the speed you go in, your revs, just you'll be able to control your car. It's just going to be fantastic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.